if you want to turn $100 to $1,000 or $10,000, I got you covered. So here on DAO Maker, they have changed their requirements for you to be able to get a fair allocation on this project, because this is the number one best launchpad in crypto. And right here, you have chance to get a allocation with fair requirements. So right here, there is a new token launching on this project, and I'll be telling you what you need to know in this video, and make sure you stick to the end of the video and comment in the comment section and like the video for this video to get to more people and help the channel. So right here, you will need to have a certain amount of money for you to be able to get allocation on this project before, but with this changing of requirements, you have fair chance for you to be able to get allocation in this on this project. So you need to verify you need to pass verification process, and right here there is this very previous token they have launched on their platform. This is 36x return on investment, 36x 5x return on investment, 15x, 10x, 12x, and 0.73x return on investment, 28 return on investment. So you see, this is top tier launchpad in crypto, and right here they have made a significant amount of money. If you are here, you were able to get allocation in this 10x. You'll be investing $100 and you'll be getting $1,000. So that's how it works. Make sure you do your own research. Take anything you watch in this video as educational purpose. I'm not a financial advisor. If you need any financial advice, go to your financial advisor. So right here, this is the upcoming token on this project, on this DAO Maker project, and it's called Wistaverse token, and this is metaverse project. And right here, this is the public says and this is the private says. So for this private says, you need to be holding a significant amount of this DAO Maker token for you to be able to get allocation in this project, and they want to raise a total amount of 228,262 worth of DAO Maker. This project, you'll be connecting your Binance smart contract. This project is launched on Binance smart contract, so you'll be getting this token on Binance smart contract. The registration is open right now. It's going to close in 1 day, 2 hours, 30 minutes, and this private one is going to close in 4 days, 5 hours, 30 minutes, and few seconds. And right here, I'm going to show you the amount of token you'll be getting if you want to participate in this launchpad. So right here, have at least worth of 500 worth of crypto connect to your wallet for you to be eligible to get allocation, fair allocation in this process. So right here, participating and follow real time winning chance. So you have to open now and register and pass your verification process and log in and see over here your chance of getting allocation in this token says, and you can increase yourself by adding some additional amount of money, but this is the minimum requirement for you to potentially get allocation in this project. Right here, there are like 30,580 people that have already signified that they want to participate in this project, and total asset connected, so 66,127,242 So this is the information you need to know. And right here, if you want to know more about this rule, you just have to come to over here to see the rule. And over here, if you want to participate in this sure allocation over here, you just have to check this rule. But you need to be having a significant amount of money for you to be able to participate in this second option over here. But with this first option over here, you just have to have this $500 in your account and see maybe you'll be able to get this allocation, because once you connect your wallet with this project right there, you will see your chance of getting allocation in these tokens. So you just have to increase, maybe you can increase your allocation or stuff like that. So that's what you need to know. Getting a fair allocation on DAO Maker, because this DAO Maker is one of the top projects that are offering token sales in crypto industry, and make sure you do your own research before you take any step in this video. And subscribe to my channel and let me know what you think about this video in the comment section. I'm going to see you on the next video.